Hi children, good morning. Now we are going to see new lesson, the magic cave. What is our new lesson? The magic cave. THE the magic 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 cave CAVE cave. Okay, the magic cave. Okay, before going to the lesson, shall I ask one thing? Okay. If you want chocolate, how do you ask your mother? Yeah, I want a chocolate. Isn't it? But your mother didn't get this one to you. How do you ask again? Please, ma, can you buy the chocolate for me? Please, this one time you are using the word please. Isn't it? Yeah, okay. If your mother buy the chocolate and give to you, what do you say? Yeah, thank you. What do you say? Thank you. Okay. Then, if you want pencil from others, how do you ask others? Please give your pencil, isn't it? So you have to use those words. Please, thank you. If you hurt someone, you have to say sorry. So you have to use those words please, sorry, thank you. These words are magic words. If you start to use these words, your life will be changed. You have to check. Okay, so if you get something from others, you have to say thank you. If you want something from others, if you want anything, you have to say please. What do you say? Please. If you hurt anyone, if you beat anyone, okay, you have to use the word sorry. You have to use the word sorry. Okay, so you have to use these magic words. Okay, please, sorry, thank you. When you start to use these words, your life changed as changed beautifully. Try this. Okay, children. Shall we go to this new lesson? Okay, the magic cave. See, here Raj and Simi, they live in a pretty little cottage in the hills. Pretty means beautiful. Okay, they live in a cottage in the hills. One day they are walking over the hills. Okay, Raj and Simi. Who are they? Raj and Simi. They live in a pretty little cottage in the hills. One day they are walking over the hills. They saw the big door in the mountain. There is something written on the door also. Okay, they walk over the hills. While walking, they saw a big door in the mountain. There is something written on the door. They went and read the sign. What is that? A magic cave is behind this door, but there is no key. You have to say some magic words and then you shall see. Okay, so they read the sign. A magic cave is behind this door. One cave is my magic cave. It is behind this door, but there is no key. If you say some magic words, you can see. Okay. Did you see the film? They used magic words. Alauddin Arpuda Vilakku. Many films know. If the person says something, the door will open. Like it is a magic cave. It is behind this door, but there is no key. If we use magic words, we can see something. Okay. So Raj and Simi try to guess the magic words. They are trying. What are the magic words? Yeah, they are using it. Tantara. Nothing will happen. Again they are thinking, abracadabra. Now also nothing will happen. It's not opening also. Again they are thinking, open sesame. We are saying no, tirandid sesame. Like they are trying, but it's not opening. They get confused and they are thinking, what do we say? Then again they are asking, please, dear cave, please open the door for us. Please show us your magic. So they are using the word please. They used many words, but it's not opening. So they used please. What is the magic word? Please. Please, dear cave, you have to open the door for us. Suddenly, the big door opens. They got surprised and the door is open. They are moving into the cave. They use the word, yeah, please. Again, Raj read the board. Then they said, carry on with your magic words. Carry on with your magic. Again, they say they are thinking the magic words and they said, Simi, do you know any more magic words? Raj asked Simi, do you know any more magic words? Father, Simi told, first we have to say thank you to the cave. It opened the door for us, no? So they said thank you. See, I told you no already. If you get something from others, you should say thank you. So they said thank you. Suddenly the cave lights up. Because before that it was dark, no. They asked they said so thank you. Then the cave lights up. So they walk on this pathway. They saw many chocolates. Okay, they saw there are so many toys, there are so many chocolates. They are very happy. Then they bring all our friends there and they share these toys and chocolates. Okay, so all the children eat, play, and have fun together. They have the best party ever. They have learned two magic words, please and thank you. They help us to be nice to people. So, children, I already told you no, thank you, sorry, please, excuse me. These are magic words you have to use in your day-to-day life. Okay, thank you.